Hi and welcome to this video. Today we are going to make a cup. First, create a new document. Centimeters. Go to circle and click anywhere. Diameter 20. Polyline. Create a new layer. Line from center, 10 units. Check black layer. Create an arch from end to quad. Make a revolve. Full circle. Select the arch and go to irregular. 6 items. Click this surface and go to split. Delete these surfaces. Select this and create a new layer. Copy objects to layer. Hide this layer. Click this surface and go to duplicate border. Go to offset. Truth points. Select these curves and points on. Move it. Select this curve and explode. Go to trim. Points on and move it like this. Select all these curves and join. Click this curve and go to Pool. Select the surface and enter. Select the surface and go to Split. Click the curve and enter. Create a new layer and change Object Layer. Select these objects. Irregular. 6 items. Delete these surfaces. Select this surface and rebuild. Points on and move it. Do it again with the other surfaces. You can do it on these surfaces too. Go to Line, From near, 12 units and click. Create a new layer. Duplicate edge and enter. Join. Go to curve and draw this. If you want, go to points on and move it. Select these curves and isolate. Go to Trim and click here. Create an arch from near to near. Go to Bend. First click, second click and bend. Points on and move these points. See you next time.